Okay, so the question is using strings in Java, and here in the first question we have to use four cases. That's equal, equals, ignore case, and comparing, and double equal. So here I've used three predefined functions. Um, I've taken the user input from the user. So the first is a boolean case. The first is going to always give the output in 1 or 0, and the remaining is boolean. Boolean will only give true or false, and I have to check for each character. Uh, Here we have to check the initial state of the character, whether it starts with string, or whether it starts with a vowel or consonant. So here I've converted the string to a character array, and then I'm checking each character. You're starting with consonant H. So question 3, you have to do the same thing at the end of the string. So here O. Now we have to check for the containment. We have to check whether um, it's a duplicate or not. So for this, again I'm using a predefined function. So here it's again giving a boolean value, and you have to do the reverse of it in question 5. So again I'm going to get a boolean value. So here I have to the moment I get a space, I have to take it as a new word. So here I'm again using a predefined function substring. So since some space, it's giving me a new word, and here I have to again first I have to join the two strings, then I have to replace, I have to convert to lower and uppercase. So here I've taken so here I am joined, you have replaced, you have converted to uppercase, you have converted to lowercase. Now I have to check for the number of words. Here I have created a user-defined function, static int word count. You have created static, so that I don't need to create an object for it. Um, this is going to take the string. What it's going to check is if I get a space and the next is also not a space, or it's not null, it's one word. So here it's going to then return count, and then it's going to display. So as you can see here, it should be 3, and it's showing 3. So here I have to replace a word CPP with Java. So here it is. Now I have to check for a palindrome. So here I've again used a static boolean function. So what is going to happen is I'm going to check, I'm going to create variables I and j, I'm going to start I from starting and j from the end, and I'm going to take it to the center, and I'm going to check if any time I find that I and j are not equal, it's going to return false. Otherwise, it's going to keep on returning true. So your MA and AM. So madam, as you know, it's a palindrome. So here it's going to return a boolean value, and then here I have to check for char at, append and insert. So char at 0, the 0 index position. Appending is going to append at the end, and insert after same position 0 1 2. After C it should do, after B it should do. So it's to B this much. So that's it.